Thank you. I'll be brief. I just want to say that our people should have confidence in themselves and that they should be preparing now, as the ultimate sacrifice is being made by our fighters on the ground, whom we must support in every possible way we can, either with funding or with our knowledge, with our creativity, with our inventiveness, and with our ingenuity. And that as we are out for those of us in the diaspora, we must also be thinking of the day after we get back home, the things we need to do to change things around. And I think, like you said, our compatriots at home must start looking forward. What they are going to start doing the day after independence. There are a lot of opportunities. I've always said, after we get back home, Ambazonia will be open for business. And we'll be starting everything from scratch, which is a good opportunity for us to get everything right, to get all the things we want to do right. We must leave behind for our children a country that is better, a country that is a happy place to live in, a country where everybody, every single Ambazonian will live out their dream. And I want to encourage all of us in this endeavor, have confidence in ourselves. Never one moment doubt that we are going to be independent and be masters of our own destiny. Thank you very much.